All right, here we go. Little flow state. 5, 6.
Baby, we can get down and get dirty after 2 or 3 drinks. I might get a little flirty. I don't even sound a little too thirsty, but I heard that you single from a itty bitty birdie. Hold up, wait, who that? I love the way you do that. Innocent face, but devilish how you move that. I tend to gravitate to natural, nothing fake. Man, a real booty shaking shit, you know I can't repeat that. Sex so good, run it back like a little track. Had to put it in the group chat. Schedule packed and the checks way too fat. I told you I'm on pretty bitch, you right balls like I'm Henry with a way body beats, picking bodies up the interstate. Got a million of my friends wanna celebrate me, girl, and I'ma stay in bed, feel meditate. That's better. I ain't talking ops, but a bitch get settled. 10 toes down from the second I get up. Gotta clear my mind, bring it back around center like. That's great. Money can't fold in a whole won't break. 10 toes down from the second I wake. Gotta clear my mind. It's a real flow state. The way I'm floating on a beat, you think I'm levitating. Anything I do, you know I do it elevated. A little bit of liquor got activated, and the V to pushing pH down, that quickly escalated. I be ballin', cause baby, I be all in. One dude tripping on me, not a whole falling. Now I'm on a poppin' next, coming back crawling. If you needed a reminder, I know you want it, Sex so good, run it back like a little track. Had to put it in the group chat. Schedule pack and the checks way too fat. I told you I'm on pretty bitch, you right balls like I'm Henry with a way body beats, picking bodies up the interstate. Got a million of my friends wanna celebrate me, girl, and I'ma stay in bed, finna meditate. That's better. I ain't talking ops, but a bitch get settled. 10 toes down from the second I get up. Gotta clear my mind, bring it back around center like. That's great. Money can't fold in a whole break. 10 toes down from the second I wake. Gotta clear my mind. It's a real flow state.
Come on. Come on. Use those abs. 2 more. Come on, hit it. 1 more.
Yeah. Gotta clear my mind. It's a real flow state.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for joining me and my amazing, fabulous dance crew. We hope that you had a great time. This was a little snippet, little tasty taste, sneak peek of a 40-minute workout that is on our app, our website. It's called The Studio Online. You can look it up. We have 6 different apps: Apple Store, Apple TV, Android, Roku, Fire Stick, any device. You can watch it anytime, anywhere. Hundreds and hundreds of on-demand videos, and we live stream right from headquarters here every single day of the week. Hopefully we'll see you soon. Have a great day.